Hi guys. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to create spotlight effect in Photoshop. Create a new layer for rectangular marquee tool and select rectangular marquee tool. Make the selection like this. And select gradient. Fill the gradient like this. Use Ctrl+T for free transform and distort the selection and adjust the points. Go to Filter menu and choose Blur, Gaussian Blur. Play with the value settings. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.